Substitute in place of C and write down the equation. Substitute in place of C from equation 1. Substitute in place of C is the 1 by 2. So that is the y is equal to e power of x under bracket is sin x minus cos x. Sin x minus cos x upon 2. C value is the 1 by 2. Take LCM 2 and apply the cross multiplication. We get the answer. Apply the cross multiplication. We get the answer. Everyone. 2y is equal to e power of x under bracket sin x minus cos x plus 1. Plus 1 also bring on the left hand side. So 2y minus 1 is equal to e power of x under bracket of sin x minus cos x. Right. We get the same textbook answer only. From 1 everyone see e power of x y is equal to e power of x sin x minus cos x upon 2. C value also 1 by 2. Take LCM and simplify. Plus 1 also bring on the left hand side. We get the required answer. That is the same textbook answer only. Right, everyone go through the 16th problem. Everyone go through the 16th problem. Fast move towards 16th problem. For the differential equation, xy divided by dx is equal to x plus 2 into y plus 2. Find the solution of the curve passing through the point. 16th problem is C. So xy into dy by dx is given is equal to x plus 2 into y plus 2. Point is given passing through the point is x comma y is given 1 comma minus 1. Right, take everyone start. Cross multiplication, exact derivative model you can bring and work out. First everyone, xy into dy is equal to x plus 2 into y plus 2 into dx. So x terms only on dx side, x bring on y by y plus 2 into dy is equal to x plus 2 by x into dx. Exact derivative is came. Right, here is numerator write down plus 2 minus 2 and divide by the denominator. Divide by denominator, here is the separate x by x plus 2 by x into dx. Right, everyone divide y plus 2 by y plus 2 is the 1 minus 2 by y plus 2 into dy. Here is x is cancel 1, 2 by x, separate the integrations everyone. 1 into dy integration, 1 into dy 2 outside, 1 by y plus 2 into dy, 1 into dx, 1 into dx, plus 2 outside, 1 by x into dx. First write down everyone, this is the x, this is the 2 into 1 by x is the log x, plus integral constant is the c. This is the log of y plus 2. Derivative of y plus 2 is the 1 minus 2. 1 into y is the y. Let it be equation number 1. Equation number 1. Everyone. Substitute x value, y value, find out the c value, write down the particular solution first. X value is 1, y value is x value is 1, y value is minus 1, substitute, y value is minus 1, minus 2 into log of minus 1 plus 2 is the 1, x value is 1, 2 into log of x value is 1 plus c, log 1 value is the 0, log 1 value is the 0, minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Everyone see here. I will write here is minus 1, log 1 value is 0, log 1 value is 0, 1, log 1 value is 0 plus c. Therefore, c is equal to minus 2. Write down in equation 1 we get the answer. Y is equal from 1. Write down the y is equal to what is the y minus 2 log of y plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 log x. C value is minus 2. He will do this some simplification, logarithms and the equation model he will write. He will make simplification. So x terms are one side. So he will make simplification. How can you make simplification? I will write as according to the textbook. Y x term minus x constant term plus 2 is equal to 2 log x plus 2 log of y plus 2. Further he will make simplification. Y minus x plus 2 is equal to log of x square plus log of y plus 2 whole square. Okay na? Logarithmic formula. Y minus x plus 2 is equal to log of m into n x square y plus 2 whole square. They will write this is the solution according to the textbook model. But in examination they can't give the answer now. We can do up to this part. C value substitution is the sufficient. Right, everyone go through this 17th problem. 17, 18, 19. Our target is completed today. Up to 19. Tomorrow 2 problems on new exercise we can do means. So differential equation maximum within 2 days it should be completed. It is going to complete it. Right, everyone move towards 17th problem. Everyone see the 17th problem. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point is 0, comma minus 2. Given that at any point x, comma y on the curve, the product of the slope of its tangent and y coordinate of the point is equal to the x coordinate. Right. 0, comma minus 2 is the one point for finding the C value. X, comma y is the locus point. That is not necessary. So this point is unnecessary for finding the C value. So next, what is the given is slope of the tangent, that is the dy by dx is the slope of the tangent, and y coordinate product is equal to x coordinate is the x. Right, immediately cross multiplication, y into dy is equal to x into dx. Apply the integration, y square by 2 is equal to x square by 2 plus integral constant c. Let it be equation number 1. Substitute point in place of x is the 0, y place is the minus 2 square by 2 is equal to x place is the 0 square by 2 plus c. Therefore c value is 2. C value is 2 in place of c. Write down the c value from 1. Y square by 2 is equal to x square by 2. C place is the c value is 2. Take LCM and write down. y square is equal to x square. So plus 4 is the required answer. Backside is a y square minus x square is equal to 4 is given. Backside or textbook answer is giving y square minus x square is equal to 4 is given. That is also will write. Right, everyone move towards 18th problem. First, everyone move towards 18th problem. Eighteenth problem is, at any point x comma y of a curve, the slope of the tangent is twice the slope of the line segment joining the point of contact to the point minus 4 comma minus 3. Okay. Find the equation of the curve given that it is passes to the point is minus 2 comma 1. Final I will read. One point is given x comma y. One more point is given that is the minus 4 comma 3. These are the line points. These are the line points. These are the line points. Next, what is the given? Slope of the tangent is equal to twice the slope of the line. Right, everyone write down. Slope of the tangent is equal to twice the slope of the line. So slope of the tangent is equal to twice the slope of the line is the x comma y and the minus 4 comma minus 3. Right. Slope of the tangent is the dy by dx is equal to 2. Slope of the line is the y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So now cross multiplication write down. dy is equal to 2 times of y plus 3 by x plus 4 into dx. X terms on x side, y terms on y side. dy by y plus 3 is equal to 2 times of 1 by x plus 4 into dx. Now exact derivative is completed. Apply the integration. This is the log x model. Log of y plus 3. Y plus 3 derivative is the with respect to y is the 1. 2 into log of x plus 4. X plus 4 derivative with respect to x is the 1 plus integral constant is the c. For finding the c, what is the given point is minus 2 comma 1. Alright, substitute log of minus 2 log of 1 plus 3 y place is the 2 times of log of minus 2 plus 4 plus c. Right, write down. Log 4 means 2 log 2 is equal to 2 log 2 plus c. 2 log 2 cancel, therefore c is equal to 0. Write down in equation 1 particular solution is completed. According to the target reached nearly. C place write down the C value we get in equation 1. We get the required equation cost. Cost everyone. C please. Case of C is the exact real value we can get. How can we get the exact real value? By the substitution of given value. Y place is write down 0 and x place is write down 2. So y place is the 0 is equal to minus log of x place is the 2 1 by 2 log of 2 minus 1 is the 1 plus 1 by 2 log of 3 2 plus 1 is the 3 plus c. Okay, now log 1 value is 0, this value is the 0. So now every part is being on the right hand side. Log minus 1 by 2 into log 3 is equal to C. Logarithmic terms bring on the left hand side. Now 1 by 2 is the power of 1 by 3. So logarithm formula, log of m power of n is equal to n log m, or n log m is the power of m, 1 by 2 is the power of 3. So now write down log m minus log n formula. After then C value write down in the equation number 1. So now see everyone, log 2 minus log of 3 power of 1 by 2 is equal to C. Okay na? Next one, log m minus log n formula. C is equal to log of m value is the 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3, that is the C value. So in equation 1, everyone write down in equation 1. What is the equation 1? In place of C, write down C value from 1. What is the y is equal to minus log x plus 1 by 2 into log of x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into log of x plus 1. And C place value is, what is the value of C is? What is the value of C is? Everyone see. C value is the log of plus log of 2 by root 3. Log of 2 by root 3. It is the exact value, no question of C. No question of C, we getting the exact value. Therefore, it is the particular solution. Everyone observe, particular solution means no arbitrary constant. No arbitrary constant, it should be remembered. In place of C value, we get the exact value, that is the log of 2 by root 3. So log of 2 by 3 is the one of the real value. Okay na? Right back side of textbook, they will make simplifications. Logarithmic formula they will apply. Here is the logarithmic to 1 by 2 is common. Logarithmic formula they have applied and they make as a simplification. No need, you have to go through the next problem. Okay. Can I move towards next problem? Right. I move towards next problem. Everyone see. The 13th problem is, everyone observe the 13th problem. What is the 13th problem is given by cos of dy by dx. Cos of dy by dx is equal to a. Y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 0. So particular solution value is required. So that's why values are given. One more point is, it is not no degree in this equation, because I already will tell degree means polynomial equation is required. Cos of angle is, that is a correct representation. Cos of derivative is not a correct representation. That's why it is no degree. For making the degree, cos bring on the right hand side. For making the degree, cos bring on the right hand side. Dy by dx is equal to cos inverse of a. Once again everyone listen. Cos of dy by dx no degree, because of it is not a polynomial equation. Cos of angle is defined. Cos of dy by dx is not defined. E power of dy by dx is not defined. No degree. It is not a polynomial equation. For making the polynomial equation, cos bring on the right hand side. So next, cross multiplication. Dy is equal to cos inverse of a into dx. Immediately exact derivative apply the integration. Y is equal to dx value is the x into cos inverse of a plus integral constant is the c. Let it be equation number 1. Immediately y value is substitute 2 when x value is 0. Substitute y place is the 2 and x place is the 0 mean total is the 0 plus c. Therefore c value is 2. C value write down in equation 1. So y is equal to from 1 y is equal to x cos inverse of a plus c value is 2. So therefore c value is not there, no arbitrary constant, it is a particular solution. Right, everyone go through the 14th problem. First move towards 14th problem. 14th problem is dy by dx is equal to y tan x. So for finding the c value, y is equal to 1, x is equal to 0. Right, work out. First work out everyone. Dy by dx. What is the given? Cross multiplication. Dy is equal to y into dx. Dy is equal to y into tan x into dx. Dx side is the x terms only, y term bring on the dy side. 1 by y into dy is equal to tan x into dx. Now exact derivative, x derivative with respect to dx, y derivative with respect to y, exact derivative. Immediately apply the itself derivatives are there. Apply the integration. 1 by y is in the form of 1 by x model. 1 log y is equal to tan x integration is the log secant x. Log secant x plus integral constant is the c. Find out everyone. Y is equal to 1, x is equal to 0, substitute. Y is equal to 1, log of y place is the 1, log of secant of x place is the 0 degrees plus c. Log 1 value is the 0, log of secant 0 degrees is the 1 plus c. So log 1 value is the 0, total c value is equal to 0. C value is 0. Therefore now write down from the first equation. Log y is equal to log of secant x is the answer. Further also they will give log is deleted, answer is y is equal to secant x. Log is cancelled, answer is y is equal to secant x. Right, move towards 15th problem everyone. Move towards 15th problem. 15th problem is right, see the 15th problem everyone. I will read the problem, everyone see in the test book. Everyone see the find the equation of a curve passing through the point 0, 0 whose differential equation is y dash is equal to e power of x sin x. Once again I am going to read the problem. Find the equation of the curve. Curve equation is required. Find the equation of the curve. Curve equation is that curve is passing through the point 0, 0. Next, whose differential equation is given? What is the given differential equation is y dash means dy by dx is equal to e power of x sin x. Everyone, so point is the first curve differential equation is given. Y dash is equal to e power of x into sin x. E power of x into sin x. Is it clear everyone? E power of x into sin x. So point is given by 0, 0 mean x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0 for finding the c value. Right, first one. What is the y dash? dy by dx is represented by the different forms. So dy by dx is represented by y dash y1 is equal to e power of x into sin x. Cross multiplication dy is equal to e power of x sin x into dx. Therefore, here is x itself derivative is there, no y terms. Immediately apply the integration. dy is equal to integral of e power of x into sin x into dx. Its integration is the y. It is the by parts. Isolate, no inverse term, right? No logarithmic term, cancel, delete the two letters, rub the two letters. Algebraic term is not there, rub the 8. So trigonometric term is there, make it the first function. Exponential function is the automatically second function. Trigonometry function is the according to order is the first one. Exponential function is the according to order is the second one. Okay, right? Everyone see. First, I will